The installation of planks is super fast and easy. Insert the bottom edge of the plank into the P41 starter track, resting against the plank backers. To secure the planks, we are going to use the P22 plank clips. These clips attach along the top edge of the plank, like so, and they make an audible noise so you will know when they are engaged properly. They also allow the planks to slide back and forth to account for the expansion and contraction of each individual plank. P22 plank clips are installed at 32-inch on center, staggered with the next row of planks. How do we install a P22 plank clip properly to ensure that the FastPlank system works as designed? There are two critical points. First, every single time that a P22 plank clip is installed on top of a back plate, the plank clip must be screwed tight to the screw line. So second, and just as important as the first point, all the midfield P22 plank clips, meaning the clips in between the trims, must not be screwed tight. That means when you go to put your screw in, you're not going to put the screw in tight to the wall. Rather, you're going to leave a 1/4 inch gap. Because we typically deal with so much bad framing in the construction world, what we have created is a FastPlank floating wall system. FastPlank is designed that with the expanding and contracting, each plank individually will move left or right. But because of leaving this gap, it will now move back and forth on your wall. So when you have bad framing of walls that go in and out, this will allow for your FastPlank floating wall system to be perfectly straight. It is especially important that when you're installing your first row, that you put a level on and verify that they are level, even though you've already done that with your P41. This is especially important because at your outside corner, you want to verify that your planks line up. To install the last plank, measure the space between the V-groove and the horizontal 2-piece J-trim. Subtract 1/8 from your measurement, make your cut, and install. The top edge of the plank should rest against the plank backers that were previously installed. The last plank is held in place by the top cap. To ensure variation in the wood grain pattern, we recommend you select planks from different packages. This way, you can avoid having identical patterns on successive rows.